Mama, welcome to the first ever dialect exchange. Oh yes. Oh yeah, Bonyo Owerri. Oh yes. Gini kana what's the game? Of course, you do that. Oh yes. English what? English gini. Anyway, whatever you say, I'm sure it goes. So, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Madam Theresa Omemboji, so you know that all the way from Abagana. And dialect exchange is just two people from different places trying to, see how, their dialects differ, So, Onya gana so if I know could be ife diche, Mamma have ife liche, ife diche. Let's not argue it. I don't have such a thing in my body. So, ladies and gentlemen, now I'm gonna so weary. I found out about Abagana. Oh yes, you know where I'm from. So the first word is, this is easy. A plate. So what do you call it in Owerri? Efele. Efele. Efele jelili. Efele jelili. If I'm not here about fele, afele jelini. If I go say a sound, in Anambra we have such poise. Oh no. Get boy efele nigga the obot do. Efele. Nigga obot. Ale me. Na mara mo doka na do. The next word. So what do you call it? Olante. Olante. Be earringty. Hey, if I can see if we are earringty. Hey, oh my goodness. Oh, Jesus. Get your air go Olante. Namoro laka na Monday. Baby, bokene. Oh no, I knew education. Oh yes. Education. The third word. The third statement. Oh, this is easy. How are you? Iripole. Only can Iripole, how are you? Iripole. I think I'm Iripole. I think Iripole. And I speak English because sometimes I think you speak Chinese. So let's one day we are Olo Mary. But how we say it really is Kedu Kimere. Hey. Oh, wait a sialugu one time I think sometimes, just like what you said, and you come and speak such a language around them, I think it will worsen the situation. The next statement, Biko. Oh, this is easy. Let me go first. Hey, Ninka touch a sialo. Hey, on a nye folk with saying, hey, Otoni. What do you say? No. They lead up pieces. Score. Bobo. Gaga. Boy, they lead up her brain. Oh, my again, mango no ba. Yati young to let try 1 or 2 things. Boy, they think I shaggy brain. Shaggy brain. Never get bigger. Hey! No. It's funny how I somehow feel like I like that dialect. But at the end of the day, Abagana stands tall. Anambra stands tall. Otoloto. Onato. Hey! The next word. Oh, this is easy. I've been wanting to ask that question to you since you came. Who are you? And how do you say that in your dialect? I'm a stranger. Isoma. You meet Isoma. Gesia. Iwonye bole. Okay. Oh yeah, it sounds almost similar. On my show, we try as much as possible to respect each other. Oh no. The next statement. Oh. Yes, let me go first. So let me take a look. No, but can kill you, you know. Or, you know, kill you too, but won't kill you too.
You have diabetes one. They give you a code.
Okay, na boss say. Okay, na boss say you need na.
Where am lebre o? Ya lebre o. Opo. Ya call am that lebre o.
We jogo ndo were una na to some letters say egu. Give mo lebre o. Una na ayotaleto.
Oh lebre o beje ku ya
lebre o. Okay, lebre o. Ngwa ni lebre ta go fi he.
No.
Okwe were do.
Ani chimra ya agbo.
Ini chimra agbo. So you mean Ilisiege Bota?
She what?
Anyway, I'm sure that's what it means.
Boiling, something something boiling.
Because in a food needs something to boil. I think what you should say is not even as swasso.
What are you saying?
Even as swasso means it's boiling.
And you boy.
If we went on our boy, it means it's vomiting.
Oh no, yes. No. I have for this matter because I have for this matter.
The next statement. Oh, you know, I could just easily say this to you immediately. Like, can you go? Immediately, because every baby, I think I've been smelling something. I just didn't want to say it. So let's just go on. So how do you say that, you know? Nababegi, mobo nabunogi, mobu jebebegi, you know, something like that, yes.
Ya woni beku.
You be big. Ngba kunu se ku biko.
La mo yonu. We gare mumma. La mo yonu. Jemebe
ohunnu. Hey, sometimes I wonder, Chineke na melebele no where kese anye no kebi. I don't know if that was God's doing or the colonization, but regardless, I think we're grateful because I don't think we would have been able to cope with, you know, such people. So let's just move on to the final statement. Oh, nganemo, ihe na kpon kan obodo anyị bụ akwamiko. Akwamiko. I think that's what it is. Oh, Tioku.
Are banje, let's watch me J man go go me me pick no. J man gbagi he jabo ebonge. Oh, gi boy ya do mere ji. Ebonge. Ebonge. O wa ha pare ni. Wait below. Ha pare ni bonge ani shimra ya bo ha pare gi boy ya gonge. Gi boy ya gonge.
I mean, I can see that's why you're dry. Thank you so much for joining us on Dialect Exchange. My guest was, you know, Joseph. All the way from Alagada. Oh yes.
All the way from Owerri.
God, I know.